Good morning, boys and girls. Today you have your brain teaser puzzles that you can go ahead and solve. And there's also a Kids Bop Shuffle video uploaded for those of you who like to get moving. Today's spirit day is mismatch day. Don't let any of your clothes match, from your socks to your pants to your shirts, for different patterns, different colors. Really get crazy and mix it up, and share a picture of you if you really want to be silly. Today we are honoring Robert and Ethan in our class. Again, feel free to comment on them, and then after lunch, if there's extra space in Miss Er's class, then you can give some love to her students as well. Read aloud today. You are listening to chapter 18 and 19. These are two separate links. Unfortunately, Miss Mulhall was having some difficulty with recording when she was reading, so these are from another teacher online. So each chapter is separate, but I am asking that you watch both. Reading today. You are starting your Fractured Fairy Tale, the moment you've all been waiting for. You are going to be using Book Creator. You should be able to just log on using your Google login that you used last time. You shouldn't really need the library code again. It should still be there, and you should still be able to see everybody's Who Would Win book. So you're just going to do the orange button, make new book or create new book, and you're going to start creating your Fractured Fairy Tale book. Please make sure that you design a cover with your title and your name. You are going to be writing the stories beginning, middle, and end. Yes, you are doing all three. Be sure to include all story elements and transition words, add pictures, and have fun. There's also a checklist here as well. I'm just going to click it so you can see it. And I suggest that you start looking at this today if you can, because tomorrow you're going to use this checklist to self-assess how you did on your Fractured Fairy Tale in a Flipgrid video. So make sure that you have all of the criteria in your Fractured Fairy Tale. Okay, again, there's an editable version of the checklist on Google Classroom in the reading section if you want one. For writing today, I just added some things that will help you with your story. So there's a video on onomatopoeia, and there is another shorter video for more examples of onomatopoeia if you'd like. I'd like you to try to add some of this into your writing and make sure you bring your stories to life. So this should really be a narrative story. You should take small steps. Remember, we did that bowling lesson earlier in the year? Make your people talk, make them think, make them feel, make them move. Okay, so really bring those stories to life and make this a true narrative story. For math today, you're going to watch this video about fact power. You only need to watch the first 2 minutes, because then the teacher in the video goes into how to make flashcards, and you do not need to do that. So you really only need to watch the first 2 minutes of the video. Fact power is essentially when you don't need any math tools except this thing right here between your ears, and being able to solve a fact like that. You might be familiar with the game Beat the Calculator or Beat the Computer. If you want to practice and warm up your fact power, you can go ahead and play those on ConnectEd. Otherwise, you're going to be completing the Freckle assignment today on multiplication and division within 100. For our class, this is assignment number 08. When you are done, I'm also asking that you play product pileup. Any type of work that you can do to familiarize yourself with those product pairs you've been practicing this week is going to be excellent help to you in 4th grade, and should be something that honestly you continue even in the summer. For social studies today, you are going to be finishing your country brochure that you started yesterday, so please continue to add captions and images and facts to your brochure. And last but not least, we have your science activity for the s'mores oven. So today and tomorrow, you can also continue to make your oven, cook with your oven, and share it on Flipgrid. Beyond that, I know some of you mentioned that you're still waiting to get ingredients and things. You can certainly print out the directions so that you have them available, and you can make this anytime that you want. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.